Hello, everyone. Welcome. I am so happy you decided to click on this audio today. It's just me, Emma, and honestly, I've been looking forward to this specific session for a long time. No guests, no distractions. Just a heart-to-heart conversation between you and me about a journey we are all on together. Mastering the English language. I get so many messages from people saying, Emma, I've studied English for years. I know the rules, I know the words, but I'm still stuck. I'm still afraid. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You aren't broken. You just haven't been taught the right way to live the language. Today, in part 1 of this series, I want to share my top secrets to improving your English. These aren't just tips from a textbook. These are the habits that actually work in the real world. So, grab a cup of tea, find a comfortable spot, and let's dive in. Step 1. The identity shift. The first thing we need to talk about isn't grammar. It's your brain. Most people say, I am an English learner. When you say that, you are telling yourself that you are less than or not there yet. I want you to change that right now. Stop saying you are a learner. Start saying, I am a speaker. Even if you only know 10 words, you are a speaker of those 10 words. It sounds simple, but the moment you stop being afraid of your own voice, your progress will skyrocket. Believe me, I've seen it happen. Step 2. Stop thinking in your native language. This is the biggest hurdle, isn't it? We translate. We think of a sentence in our head, we translate it, we check the grammar, and only then do we speak. By the time we are ready, the conversation has moved on. It's exhausting. How do we fix this? You have to build a direct link. Start small. Look around your room right now. Eventually, you start narrating your life. I am making coffee now. The sun is very bright today. I feel a bit tired. When you do this, you are training your brain to skip the translation step. It's like a shortcut for your mind. It takes time, but it is so worth it. Step 3. The secret of shadowing. Now, let's talk about a technique that changed my life. It's called shadowing. No, you don't need to follow someone in the dark. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say, at the same time they are saying it. You mimic their speed, their emotion, and where they put the stress on words. Don't just listen to the words. Listen to the music of the language. English has a rhythm. It's like a song. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we go down. If you practice this for just 10 minutes a day, your accent and your confidence will improve faster than any classroom could ever teach you. Step 4. The 80-20 rule of vocabulary. I see so many students trying to learn these huge academic words that nobody actually uses in real life. Why? You don't need to sound like a dictionary to be fluent. Focus on the most common 2,000 words. These words cover about 80% of daily conversations. If you master these, and I mean really master them, you can talk about almost anything. It's about being effective, not about being fancy. Step 5. Embrace the ugly phase. This is the part people hate. To get to the fluent English stage, you have to go through the broken English stage. Think about a baby learning to walk. They fall down. They look silly. They crawl. But does the mother say, "Oh, look at that baby, how embarrassing, they can't even walk"? No, she cheers. You need to be your own cheerleader. Make mistakes. Say the wrong tense. Use the wrong word. Every mistake is a sign that you are trying. If you aren't making mistakes, you aren't growing. Period. So, go out there and be brave enough to sound a bit silly today. Intermission. A message to you. Before I continue to the next points, I just want to say, I am so proud of you. The fact that you are listening to this, trying to better yourself, is amazing. Learning a language is like running a marathon. It's not about who is the fastest, it's about who doesn't stop. Are you ready for more? Let's keep going. Step 6. The input diet. What are you consuming? If you spend all day listening to your native language and only 10 minutes on English, your brain won't prioritize English. You need to flood your brain. Listen to English music while you shower. Change your phone's language to English. Watch Netflix with English subtitles. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is absorbing the sounds. It's called passive learning, and it works while you aren't even trying. It's the easiest homework you'll ever have. Step 7. Record and review. I know. Nobody likes the sound of their own voice. Even I get shy listening to my old recordings. But this is the most honest teacher you will ever have. Record yourself talking about your favorite movie for 2 minutes. Wait a week, then listen to it. You will hear things you didn't notice before. Oh, I forgot the S there. Or, I should have paused here. It's a game changer for self-correction. Wow, we've covered so much today, haven't we? I could talk about this for hours. But I want you to take these first 7 steps and really think about them. Don't try to do everything at once. Just pick one. Maybe today you just decide to label your room. That's a win. In part 2, which I'll be sharing very soon, we are going to talk about social confidence, how to talk to strangers, how to handle job interviews, and how to keep the conversation going when you run out of things to say. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. You've got this. I believe in you. I'll see you in part 2. Bye-bye for now.